Hi there. Do you know that you can create a Facebook account using your Gmail address in just a few minutes? Okay, let's find out. Okay, in this video, you learn how to set up a Facebook account using your Gmail in 2024, making the process very simple and straightforward. Okay, grab your device and get started. And let's get started. Now, let's talk about a common problem. Many people struggle with the registration process on social media platforms, especially when it comes to using their existing email account. You might have faced the issue of forgetting your password or not knowing how to link your email successfully. This can be super frustrating, right? But don't worry, in just a few minutes, you have all the tools you need to breach through setting up your new Facebook account. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's head over to our Facebook app and just go through the whole process on how to get that done in just a few minutes. Please, if you are finding this video helpful, or if this is your first time of coming across my page, please do well to like this video, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section. And don't always forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So when you click on where you see the three lines, you are just going to go ahead and click on this drop down arrow. So when you click on that, these are your account. So you are going to see something like create Facebook profile. You click on that. So when it brought you to this interface, you have to choose if it's a personal account or if you want to use this account for your business. For me, I'm just doing this for the purpose of this tutorial, so I'm going to just choose personal account and click next. So when you click next, you just need to give it a little time to load up depending on how strong your network is, because mine is very bad. So after loading up, you are just going to go ahead and input your Facebook profile name, the name you want to use. Okay, so after that, they'll ask you to upload your picture. You can do that one. Okay, let's just do it and pass on. For the purpose of this tutorial, I might just decide to use any picture. So after the whole set, and so after that, it's going to bring you to this aspect. Okay, control your setting, all of these things. So you just need to go ahead and click on create profile. So your new profile is being created. So automatically we have created our profile. Okay, so after that, it will bring you to this particular interface. Okay, these are the friends that Facebook has suggested to you. Then if you have anyone that you want the person to connect with you, you can just go ahead and click on search friend and search for the person. But already Facebook has already suggested friend based on these people are just my friend based on my previous account. So you can either choose all, okay, to invite these people to like follow your new page. So you can also join groups. So I'll just go ahead and click on next. I'm adding 4 people as my friend. So you will also be asked to join group and start connecting with people. So you just go ahead and click on the group you want to connect with people and click on next. So I've clicked on 6 group. So you're just going to search for people. I've clicked on that and I'm going to follow them. So manage this account setting, people you interact with, blah blah blah. I'm not doing that for now, so I just click on not now. So I'm just going to click on done. So after clicking on done, boom, our account is ready. As you can all see here, this is the new account I just created. Okay, this is the account I just created now. So I've joined group and all of those stuff like that. So that's how you can create a new Facebook account with no stress. So you can just go ahead and fill in all these details, add your cover photo, create your first post, create your first reel, so that people will actually start interacting with you. Okay, so if you need further setting, you can just go ahead and set it up. Okay, so I just did this thing for the purpose of this particular tutorial, not like I want to create an image, sorry, not like I want to create a Facebook account. So guys, that's all for this tutorial. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and also don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. And the most important thing, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, because why? Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't be missing out on any important updates I'll be dropping. So guys, bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video. If you have any question, you can also drop that in the comment section. So I would love to hear from you guys if you're able to create your new Facebook account, and what was your process using creating it. So I would love to see that in the comment section. Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.